Hello Virgo, how are you guys? Welcome to my channel. I'll be doing a reading for Star wants to come out for end of February. Alright, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Tell me about Virgo, end of February 2025. Oh, all right. Son of Cups. Virgo. So while I was shuffling, this one jumps. The star wants to jump. Virgo. You cannot be stopped. Whatever it is that you're aiming, that you're dreaming, that you're wishing, you cannot stop it. You cannot stop it from happening. You cannot stop it from wishing. Alright? And yeah, and you will do everything you can in your power, the Magician. Why? Because I have here the Son of Cups. Ooh, and the High Priestess. Oh. Yeah, and the Four of Swords. Yeah, see? It's a very spiritual one. Look. The Son of Cups. Why? Why you wanted it so much? You're manifesting something. You're manifesting your dream, Virgo. The Star. For once in your life, you want to be the star, Virgo. Because Virgos are mostly, you know, behind the scene people. We don't like spotlight, okay? But here, you want it. You want to shine your light. You want to achieve your dream, okay? You're wishing for something that you wanted it. And it makes you happy with the Son of Cups. It makes you happy and fulfilled. It gives you butterfly in the stomach, you know. It makes your heart flutter. Oh, diba? Nice. It makes your heart flutter, Virgo, with the star. Okay. Son of Cups, yeah. So like what I said, even though you have this wish, this dream, this star, even though you want to be the star, you don't want the rabbit to the world. Because you have here the High Priestess and the Four of Swords. See? The High Priestess, see, you don't want a rabbit to the world. See, the world is there. You're protecting it. You're just, it's just in your area. Okay? You're not letting this wish go outside the world, in public or so. You're just keeping it for yourself with the High Priestess. Alright? You're not showing off. Alright? You have also the four of Swords. Okay? You see, you have here the Sun. The Sun. Okay? So even, you know what, Virgo? Okay, now I'm excited with your reading. Even though you want to keep it low and you're doing it, you know, you're alchemy. It's like an alchemy. Okay, Magician is the alchemy. You're alchemizing everything. Okay, because a Virgo checks everything. Okay, is that everything, the details. Okay, it has to be like this, like that, the measurement, etc., etc. You know, it has to be like that in order. I think, even though you're keeping it to yourself, I think you cannot be stopped. It's like you cannot stop it. You cannot stop the world from seeing it, from noticing it with the Sun here in the Four of Swords. You see? You're there. You're resting. You're just sitting there in one corner. Okay? Quietly. But your light is there. See? Your knowledge, your light, your magic, your wish, your star is there shining. The Sun. There's a Sun here at the forehead of I don't know, a deer. Looks like a deer, a baby deer. Okay, a baby deer. Also, this is a new beginning. Also, this new beginning that you're manifesting, that you're wishing and dreaming, Virgo, is gonna shine so bright that you cannot stop the world and the public from noticing it from you. Okay, it glows. Okay, wow, Virgo, I like it. Even though, of course, there are people who doesn't want it to happen to you, because you have here the Five of Wands. They're jealous, they're envy, like, Virgo should be just, behind the door, They don't want you to be on the spotlight. Okay, these people. But I think, like what I said, whatever it is, they can't stop you, because this is fate, this is destiny, this is what it should be. All right. Wow. Let's clarify the Five of Wands for Virgo end of February. What is the Five of Wands? Eight of Swords, yeah. The Hermit, you're there. Oh, Devil, you could be dealing with a Capricorn. Page of Wands, yeah. Your excitement, your happiness, this dream of yours or wish of yours, you're protecting it so much, and you're studying everything step by step, because it really makes you happy. It makes you excited. All right. With the Page of Wands and the Page of Cups, woo, together, it's exciting, and it's like, it's exciting, and it makes your heart flutter. I know how to say it in English, the word kilig. Okay, kilig means it makes you giggle. Okay, it's excited, it makes you giggle. Okay, it makes you blush. Again, wow, you have the Magician. Oh, look at that, the Magician. The Magician. You are very powerful reading, Virgo. I'm so proud of you. I have the King of Wands. Oh, King of Wands. Yep. Nobody can BS you, Virgo. Nobody and nothing can BS you, because you're the Magician, the King of Wands. You're making it happen. You're making it happen. Even though you're keeping it low, you make sure that it happens. You have the double Magician, right? So these people, see, Five of Wands, Eight of Swords, they don't want you to progress. They don't want you to be successful. Look, the Eight of Swords. It's like, stay there, Virgo. It's like, if there's a promotion at work, no, stay there. Don't apply for that. Stay where you are. They want you to be stuck here, Virgo. Okay? They want you to be stuck and to be attached. The Devil, the Pan, see? But it's not healthy for you. It's not good for you. The Devil is not good. Whether upright or reverse, it's the Devil, it's the Devil. It will never change, Virgo. So they want you to stay here. All these people, like, no, don't let it. Don't tell the Virgo that there's a promotion or that there's a good news. Don't tell the Virgo, okay? They don't want you to be. Wow, these people are rude, Virgo. Oh. But again, they can't stop you, because you're here, oh. Regardless of how much they would want to keep you in the dark and stuck, they can't stop you, because you're the Virgo, you're the Hermit. Nothing can escape your light, your vision. All right? You see the light. Regardless if these people would cast darkness on you, they can't stop you, because you're here. Okay? You know what you're doing with the Magician twice. And again, the magic, the star, and the vision, the honesty, the purity, and being solemn, and your inner knowing, you know, you have your inner knowing, Virgo, and that is something that they cannot take away from you. All right, Virgo. Wow, Virgo, I'm proud of you, Virgo. Love the reading. So Virgo, thank you for watching. I'm excited with your reading. I wish you all the best. I wish you get your wish, okay? And let the magic happen. All right, Virgo? Let me know in the comments what happened, right? Virgo, see you next time, right? Take care.